Are you missing out on the coolest Apple Pencil Pro tricks? Let's fix that. First, let's pair and charge. Just attach your Apple Pencil Pro to the magnetic connector on your iPad. Make sure Bluetooth is on and you're good to go. Now, let's talk gestures. Squeeze your Apple Pencil to bring up the tool palette. Double tap to switch tools. Customize this in Settings. Apple Pencil. Double tap. Hover and barrel rotation are game changers. Hover to preview drawing effects and rotate the barrel to see different tool angles. Drawing and writing. Use tilt and pressure for different line thicknesses. Hold the pencil at an angle for straight lines. Select objects with precision. Enable Scribble to turn handwriting into text. Swipe from the bottom right corner for quick notes and from the bottom left for screenshots. Finally, customize everything in Settings. Double tap actions, hover effects, scribble. Make it your own. Master your Apple Pencil Pro.